Hello my friends, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will be doing a review of the Simplified System by Emily Ley. This is an at-a-glance organizer cover. It has 7 rings and the pattern is called Multicolor Happy Stripe and it is in the desk size. If you're new here, hi, my name is Tonya. I make videos on functional paper planning. If that's something that interests you, please be sure to hit that like button and I would love it if you would subscribe. Now let's open the box. So here it is. I really like the colors. It is striking. The background of this binder is white and you have your navy blue stripe, your turquoise, your hunter green, your yellow, pink, and red, and a black stripe here, and then the pattern starts over. It is absolutely stunning. And then there is a gold foiled pineapple right here. For the closure there is a button, and on the button there's an E and a L for Emily Ley. And there's an elastic that goes around the button to close the binder. This is the spine of the binder and this is the back. And on the back in foiled writing, it says Simplified by Emily Ley. The binder has a texture to it. It is simulated leather. I want to get real close so you can see it. And notice here on the corners, there are gold corner protectors. If you're interested in any of the items shown in this video, I will have affiliate links linked in the description area. So we're going to open this. And I'm just gently bending it back to train it to lay flat, but it does lay flat coming out of the package. Now, this is a system. As you can see, it comes with the cover and some inserts, as well as a notepad and other items. So let's take a look at this inner cover. This cover is a navy blue on the inside. There are 2 card slots, and there is a pocket folder. On the inside of this flap is like a cotton lining. And here are the rings. The rings are gold. The rings appear to be 1.25 inches. When I open and close the rings, they seem to work fine, and the rings look like they are tight. Now, I must say that compared to the Franklin Covey binders that I typically review, I can tell that there is a difference in quality with this binder. It just feels lighter. Hence, that's probably the reason for the lesser cost of the whole system. So what you get with this system, you get a Pagefinder that says at a glance on it. At the top it has the word today. Then it has inches on this side and millimeters on the other side. I like that the Pagefinder is clear, and that way you'll be able to see your writing underneath the Pagefinder without having to lift it up to look. It comes with these clear page lifters. On the front of the monthly tabs is a page that says notes, and it is a lined page. The tabs are laminated and they are multicolored to match the binder. This is a month spread across 2 pages. This system goes from January 2021 all the way through December 2021. On the left is a to-do list. At the top of the monthly planner pages is a simplicity tip. For example, it says, take some time this month to evaluate last year. What small change could you make to your daily routine to make this your best year yet? This planner has holidays and there are no moon phases on this planner. So your writing space for each block is about a little over an inch. It has a Sunday start monthly calendar and it ends with Saturday. The days of the week are multicolored. Next, in between the calendar pages are line notes pages, and then you get your spread again. So it pretty much repeats like that. You get line note pages and then your monthly spread, line note pages, and then your monthly spread. So now you have a page where you can write your name. Here is a note from Emily Ley. This is interesting. Here are some instructions for simplifying your life. And I like that whole theme, to simplify your life. We're not trying to make it more complicated with planners, but we're trying to make life more simple so that you will have time to enjoy other things that matter to you. For example, it says name what matters most, eliminate distractions, establish routines, choose what matters. Here is a page on how to use your simplified planner, and here is a simplicity challenge where it recommends some things that you can do. For example, it says walk your home with a trash bag or 5. Be ruthless. Papers, receipts, tags, empty bottles, go. So it seems like this planner really gives you tips just for an all-around great simplified life. And I really like that theme. So here we have a lined note page. Then here is a page that has holidays for 2021 and 2022. Here is a page where you can write down your bucket list, and the check boxes are over to the right. So now we're getting into the weekly spread. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday shares a row. And then on Sunday, part of the space is taken up with these weekly preps. For example, it says here, plan meals for the week ahead. Tidy up for a clean slate on Monday. Write tasks and appointments for the week and fill your tank. Enjoy what matters most. I really like that tip on filling my tank because that is something that I forget to do. And then when I'm rushing trying to get somewhere, I got to stop and get gas. So let's take a look at this format a little more closely. So this is the space that you will have for a Monday. So you have lines over here. Over here you have circles that you can use to check off. Right here is a little pot. So I think right there is where you would write in what you plan to cook that day. So all of the weekly pages are the same. Notice the multicolors. You got navy blue here, you got the teal here, and so on and so forth. But these colors match the colors that you see here on the cover. Now let me say something about the paper. The paper has a white background. This is a really clean, simplified design. And the planner paper weight, if I had to compare it to my Franklin Covey planner paper, it feels about the same. Okay, after you finish all of your weekly planner pages, then you have your annual calendars. This is a whole page of 2021, and here's a whole page of 2022 annual calendars. Next, you have some contact pages, and you get about 3 or 4 of those. You also get future planning pages. There are 6 months on this page and 6 months on this page. So if you get an appointment in the future, you have a place to write that. Next, you get notes pages. Front and back, you get about 10 pages, and that brings us to the end of this planner system. You also get a clear zipper pouch and also a notepad that has holes in it. So once you take notes, if you like, you can put it in your binder rings. This binder comes with one elasticized pen loop right here. This planner is the desk size. So the desk size 7-ring configuration for at a glance and day timer will fit the Franklin Covey planner inserts. This is the Franklin Covey Carrera inserts, and it does fit this binder. And the tabs should not interfere with the pen loop. So please tell me in the comments what you think about this planner. Please don't forget to like this video. This is Tonya, helping you feel more organized so this can be your best year yet. Take care. Hey, did you like this video? If so, please be sure to click on more of my videos shown here on the left-hand side of the screen.